My brother is, he's been ADHD his entire life. And the thing with the stimulants that you talked about really resonated with me, because when he was little, if they had to give him any kind of like cough syrup, the kind that would usually make you sleep or whatever, he would be the opposite. He would be up all night running around the house.
Yep.
My parents learned very early on that we do not give this child stimulants
No.
of
give
any
them
kind.
Dayquil, and during the day
Right.
you give them NyQuil, and then everything
Right.
magically works out.
Exactly. Yeah. And so that explains why, some folks, like you said, can have a double shot of espresso in the nighttime and be okay. And in my case, if I have one, I don't drink coffee, but I do drink soda occasionally with caffeine. And if I have one sip after 2 p.m., that's it. I'm up for like a long time in the middle of the night, which is strange. But anyway, it's just the opposite sometimes.
No Mountain Dew for dinner for you. Got it. Okay.
No.